In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use labels in Confluence. Labels, sometimes called tags, make it much easier to keep related pages connected and discoverable, especially as your workspace grows. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add them and how to put them to work when you're searching and organizing content. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to add labels. Make sure you have permission to edit or modify page details in that space. If you can edit the page content, you're usually good to go. It doesn't matter if the page is brand new or already published. Labels can be added at any time. Next, go to the page options. You'll find this in the three-dot menu, often located near the top right of the page. This menu houses page level actions and settings that aren't in the main toolbar. So it's the place to look when you're managing metadata like labels. In the menu, look for the option labeled Labels or Add Labels. The wording can vary slightly depending on your Confluence version, but they point to the same feature. Click it to open the Labels panel. Now type the tag or label name you want to add. Confluence labels are typically lowercase and don't include spaces. If you need separation, use hyphens or underscores, like quarterly report or customer support. Keep labels short, consistent, and meaningful, so they'll be easy for your team to reuse and remember. As you type, Confluence may suggest existing labels that match. If you see the one you need, select it to keep your labeling consistent across pages. If it doesn't exist yet, create the new label by confirming your typed name. Using shared standard labels is one of the best ways to make your content easier to find, so align with any team conventions you may have. When you're done, save the label changes. Depending on your setup, this might be a save or add button, or it may apply automatically when you press enter. Give the page a moment to update so the labels are attached. From here on, use these labels to search and organize related pages. You can search by a label name, filter results using labels, and quickly pull together collections of content, like all design specs, release notes, or onboarding guides. The more consistently your team applies labels, the more powerful your search and organization become, helping you spend less time hunting and more time doing. That's it. Open the page, use the page options, add your labels, save, and then leverage them to find and group information fast.